Hello guys, this video is made for training purpose and it's about filmora video editing, how you can remove watermark for free, how you can make it a full fashion for free. Filmora 2017. Thank you. Okay, just try to follow my step. After you have downloaded filmora and you have installed it on your PC, you open it. My system is coming up right now. It's coming up. It's coming up. It's complaining of my internet connection. It doesn't matter. Okay, let's try to just to show you that this is unregistered one. Try to export it. You can see it's a trial version. If I use a trial version, it will put a watermark, so I have to activate it. Right now I want to activate it free. Just follow my step. Okay, let's try to minimize this. You come down here, you type here Notepad. Before you open this Notepad, you must make sure you right click so that you can run it as administrator. Run it as administrator. This is very important. Okay, run it as administrator. You can see that's opened. You come to file, you go to open, you go to your local C where you have your operating system. Open it, go to Windows, open Windows, then you look for System 32. Click on System 32, locate drivers, click on drivers, come to etc. You can see nothing is showing here. You come down to this place, click on all files, click on host, open host. Down here we are going to add some host number, which I will put down below on YouTube. Try to put this host. It is very important. You copy this host, only this one. Copy this, minimize it, go back to your host Notepad, paste it here, then you click on save. Click on save, close it, then you go back to filmora, try to export, or if you don't want to follow that way, you will come to help, then offline activation to bring it out. Then down below I will put the license email and the registration code there. You can choose any of this, any of the one that I will put there. You choose. If one doesn't work, you take the other one. Let's try this. You copy it, you put it on the image space, then go back to it again, copy the code, Copy. You paste it here. Then you click on activate. You can see when that share filmora has been activated. Preferred fashion. It's trying to send me a welcome note, which I don't need. Okay, it has been activated. Okay, let me try to export this. It's complaining of my network connection. It doesn't matter. Even if I put it on, it has nothing to do again. It has nothing to do. You can see, trying to export it. You see, I'm trying to export the video right now. Video without watermark. It's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up.
She's in deep, her whole life, don't be terrorist. Many fellas she don't get, she don't terminate. Queen runs get, she don't get any competition.
Coming up, it's coming up.
Somebody tell her, say the consequences, no they
coming up.
But if she tested positive to HIV.
Okay, it's done. You can see the video, yeah, without watermark. Okay, thank you very much. If you found this video useful, you can please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification button. Thank you. Bye.
Now hoping that her story might inspire us. Don't be like me, help me tell the young ones. Don't come to realize it after you're long gone. Please, don't be a fool now, don't go astray. Don't be a victim of your circumstance. I'm a love, my boss, I didn't know when I lost my way. Please, don't be a fool, don't go astray. Don't be a victim of your circumstance. I'm a love, my boss, please. I didn't know when I lost my way. I'm a child of the world. I just became a child of the world. I'm a child of the world. I don't become a child of the world. Child of the world.